Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to make a ringtone of your name with music or without music. If you would like to have a ringtone with a caller name, if you would like to have a message tone with your name, yes, you can create easily. For all the devices guys, it doesn't matter whatever device you are using, a smartphone, Android phone, as well as Apple device. Yes, you can create easily ringtone of your name with music or without music. So let's see. So for it guys, first of all, you will have to come on this website. This website link I have given below the description box. Simply you have to visit below the description box and click on this link that I have given and you will be here. Simply here we have a choice to make your name ringtone. Here see, select name ringtone language. So I will go for English. English ringtone means yes, I will have an opportunity to generate a ringtone with caller name. So just I will click here. Now simply I will note down my name, and here if you would like to have the music, of course you can, as instrumental as well as also songs, and then you have to click on click here. Let's see, just I will click here. Now it's prepared. Simply I will listen it firstly, then I will go for download. So let's see.
Technology welfare, please pick up the phone. Someone is calling you.
So guys, see how it is. The sound quality is quite good. So simply I will go for download it here. But at the moment I am not going to download. Just I will go back and I will check it out as a English message tone. So let's see. Here I will note down once again my name and I will go for click here. Let's test that how the sound is coming as a message tone.
Technology welfare, you have a message. Technology welfare, you have a message.
Fine. See guys, I would like to download this. So just I will go for download it simply. So now see guys, here it has started to download now. And this is in an MP3 format. So simply you can copy and paste in your iPhone. Not in iPhones guys, actually in iPhone there is a separate method, there is a different method. That's I will show you, that's how you will import. But one thing, if you would like to have this ringtone, this message tone in your smartphone as well as the Android phone, simply copy from there and paste in your, otherwise you can have by virtue of the Bluetooth also, but with the help of share it also. In iPhone, how you will get it? So just I will here, I would like to have here in my iPhone device this one. So how I will. So simply guys, here just I will minimize it and I will come in a 3O tools. In 3O tools, simply I have to come in Mac ringtone and just I will select from here this ones and I will go for open it, and after simply I will go for generate, and after generating guys, here just I will note down. So this is a message tone, so definitely I will write here message tone and I will go for import. So successfully it has imported now finally. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. You can check it in your sound of iPhone device in a ringtone. You will get there this one easily after importing. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. I would like to have a feedback. How do you like this video tutorial? Don't forget, leave the comment below the comment box. If you have any inquiry, also leave the comment there or query. So thank you guys. This is all about in this video tutorial. And if this video has acknowledged to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I repeat guys. Thank you very much. Have a great time.